Hello, Step 3 video about from my magazine. Video talking about my school experience and past habit. Present video libar Andrés Moises Chacua, view in English. My name is Andrés Moises. I am from Ipiales. I am 26 years old. I am a farm tractor operator and I study agronomy at UNAT. When I thinking about my high school years at the seminary of Ipiales, I always remember the experience I had during that time. I was a vigilant student, very dedicated to my duties. I loved spending time with my friends. We would play, laugh, and talking during free periods and breaks. We often did group projects together and help each other in the subjects we did full understand. I remember my best friends, Cristian Asmaza, Laider Inagan, Camila Kumbal, and Ingrid Fueltada. We had so much fun, sharp talks, and something relaxed under the trees at school, eating snacks or salchipapas and listening to music to unwind a bit. As for my style, I always liked to look sharp in my school uniform. In class, my behavior was calm, attentive, and disciplined as I focused on what I need to learn. However, during the breaks, I enjoyed laughing and joking with my friends, which made those moments really special and full of fun. Thank you.